Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about OutSystems. OutSystems is an incredible platform for building applications with the help of AI and low-code technology. If you're creating a mobile app, web app, or enterprise-level software, OutSystems makes the process super simple. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for an OutSystems account, take you through the platform overview, and guide you on how to start your first project. So, let's dive in and get started. Alright. If you're not already familiar with OutSystems, let me give you a brief overview. OutSystems is an amazing platform that simplifies the way you build and manage apps. No matter if you're a small startup or a large enterprise, OutSystem allows you to create professional quality software without needing to be a coding expert. It's packed with features like AI-assisted development, built-in integrations, and ready-to-use templates that make app creation fast and efficient. What makes OutSystems even more impressive is its ability to scale with your needs. From building simple mobile apps to managing complex enterprise systems, it's designed to support innovation and growth every step of the way. It's a great tool that helps teams work faster and easier in today's busy world. Now, let me show you how you can sign up for an OutSystems account. The sign-up process is simple and straightforward, so let's walk through it step by step. First, go to outsystems.com. Once you're on the homepage, click the Start Free button located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the Account Creations page. On the Account Creation page, you'll see fields to enter your details. First off, enter your first and last name. Once done, you'll be asked whether you are trying OutSystems for your company. Select either yes or no based on your preference. We will go with the no option. So we will select no and hit enter. Next, provide your email address. Make sure to use an active email, as you'll need to verify it later. After entering your email, create a strong password. Remember to include a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure your account is safe. Once all fields are filled in, agree to the terms and conditions and click on the Agree and Start Free button to proceed. After that, check your inbox for a confirmation email from OutSystems. Open the email and click on the Activate My Account button to verify your email address. If you don't see the email, make sure to check your spam or promotions folder. Once verified, your account is ready to use. Just sign in and get started. Now, let's discuss OutSystems' main tools. OutSystems offers a suite of tools to help you build, manage, and optimize applications easily. First off, we have the Service Studio. It's the core development tool that allows you to build enterprise-grade web and mobile applications using a low-code visual development approach. It simplifies the entire app creation process by offering drag-and-drop components and built-in integrations. To get started, you can download it directly from the platform. Next up, we have the Integration Builder. This helps you seamlessly connect your apps with external data sources. If you're working with databases, APIs, or other third-party services, this tool makes integration super easy. You can log in to access and manage your integrations. The third tool we have is Lifetime. This tool manages the app's lifecycle. It covers everything from development to deployment and allows you to monitor IT users, environment settings, and security. It also provides deployment options and analytics to help you track performance and optimize your application success. Next, we have the Service Center. This tool gives you control over apps within specific environments. It allows you to monitor error logs, handle web services, and manage timers. This tool is essential for troubleshooting and ensuring your app runs smoothly. The Users tool lets you view, update, or delete the end users of your apps. You can also manage their roles and permissions, ensuring the right people have access to the right features within your applications. Finally, the App Feedback tool enables in-app feedback collection from your users. This is a great way to gather suggestions, identify bugs, and continuously improve your applications based on user inputs. With these powerful tools, OutSystems provides everything you need to create, deploy, and maintain high-quality applications. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. Now you have an idea of OutSystems' main tools. Let me explain what an environment is in OutSystems, why it's so important, and how to create. Without an environment, you can't create apps in Service Studio. It's absolutely compulsory. So, what is an environment? Think of it as a workspace or a server where all of your applications will live. This is where your apps are stored, tested, and deployed. It's like the foundation of everything you'll build in OutSystems. To create an environment, navigate to the Environment Setup section on the right side and click on the Create Environment button. You'll be guided through a few steps to set up your environment. First, you'll be asked why you are creating a personal environment. This step helps OutSystems tailor your experience. Options include evaluating OutSystems, learning how to use it, or exploring specific features. Choose the one that best fits your purpose and click Next. In the next step, you'll provide some basic information about yourself, such as job title and whether you're using OutSystems for your organization. Select the appropriate options and proceed by clicking Next. The final step is to confirm your password. This ensures your account and environment are secure. Enter your password and click Confirm. Once completed, your environment will be ready to use. After setting up your environment, it gets connected to the Service Studio. This connection allows you to start building apps, testing features, and managing deployments. Without it, Service Studio won't function, so make sure this step is completed before you move forward. Now that you know how to create an environment, you're ready to start working on your first application in Service Studio. Now that your environment is set up, next, let me show you how you can download and install OutSystems Service Studio. This is a very important step because without downloading it, you won't be able to create apps in OutSystems. OutSystems actually does not provide an online builder. You need to download and install Service Studio in order to create apps. To download the Service Studio, scroll down to the main tools and click the download button next to Service Studio. As soon as you click it, the download will start. The Studio is around 230 megabytes, so it might take a while to download. The time, of course, depends on your internet speeds. Once the Studio downloads, click on it to install. Follow the instructions, and within a few minutes, the installation process will be completed. After that, open the Service Studio from your desktop and log in using your OutSystems account credentials. Once logged in, you will need to connect to the Studio with the environment you have created. So, click the Connect to Environment button. Now, you need to log in again. Just click the option to log in and connect with your environment. Once you've logged in, you will be directed to the Service Studio. And now, you can use the Studio to build fully functional apps. OutSystems is an amazing platform that simplifies the way you build and manage apps. No matter if you're a small startup or a large enterprise, OutSystems allows you to create professional quality software without needing to be a coding expert. It's packed with features like AI-assisted development, built-in integrations, and ready-to-use templates that make app creation fast and efficient. What makes OutSystems even more impressive is its ability to scale with your needs. From building simple mobile apps to managing complex enterprise systems, it's designed to support innovation and growth every step of the way. It's a great tool that helps teams work faster and easier in today's busy world. And that's it for this tutorial. Today, we covered what OutSystems is and how to set up an account. We also explored the main tools and features that make OutSystems such a powerful platform for building apps. Lastly, we discussed how to create an environment and how to download and install Service Studio to build fully functioning apps without coding. I hope this tutorial made everything clear and easy to follow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with OutSystems, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care.